Hey, this is Jim, and I'm here with you with the brand new Ninja 5 Pro kit. As you can see, we're going to do an unboxing video today. This is not just an Atomos accessory kit where they took a bunch of stuff and threw it together in a brown box in order to get more out of the sale. This is actually a brand new retail package, and it includes the Ninja 5 Pro and the Atom X SDI model. As you can see on the box here, this also includes the Atomos Connect 4K. This was made as a fancy retail package to go alongside your new SDI cameras, like the Sony FX9, the Panasonic EVA1, or the Canon C500. So let's pop this box open and take a look at what's inside. We do have an Atom X SDI Quick Start Guide, and of course, your Atomos Ninja 5 guide right here. And here is the monitor itself. This is the 5-inch HDR monitor and recorder that we all know and love. I'm going to put that down on my mat here so you can see the dimensions of that Ninja 5. And here is the part that makes this Ninja 5 Pro kit the Pro kit. And that is the Atom X SDI module. This SDI module allows you to record RAW over SDI, and it is pre-activated with the Atomos license. The Atomos Ninja 5 sells for $599 MSRP. The Atom X SDI module is an additional $199, and the license that allows you to do RAW over SDI is pre-activated in the Pro kit, and that would normally be a $99 value, but you're getting all of that included here. Now I can pop in, and I am all ready for my SDI workflow. So now let's see what else we've got included in the packaging here. Right here, I have the Atomos Ninja 5 Sun Hood. This sun hood has just over $100 value and is especially useful if you're going to be shooting out in daylight. Next, we have the Atomos Master Caddy and your DC power supply. The great thing about the Ninja 5 Pro kit is that this can be powered 3 separate ways. If you're in the studio, I can take that power supply and the included international power adapters, and I'm going to find my US adapter right here. If I am on set, I can take the included D-tap cable to run the Ninja 5 Pro kit. If I am moving out in the field, I can upgrade with an NPF Sony type battery to run this whole Pro kit out into the field as well. So you have DC power, D-tap, or the battery as an option. The battery is not included in the Pro kit, nor is the SSD storage. But we do recommend the Angelbird Atom X 4K RAW drives if you are looking to purchase everything at once so you can open this baby up and get ready to go. And then finally, in the Ninja 5 Pro kit is the Atomos Connect 4K. The Atomos Connect 4K allows you to capture 4K HDMI directly into USB to bring that footage into any computer. Let's say you want to use your studio camera or any HDMI camera and feed that into a source for Zoom. So if we take the sum of the parts with the $599 Ninja 5, the $199 Atom X SDI module, the $99 license, and about $300 of accessories that you see here, this Ninja 5 Pro kit at just $949 is an excellent value and is in stock and now shipping. Reach out to us and we'd be happy to help answer any questions and tell you more about this great new product.